Hello friend. Come and let's embark on a journey full of knowledge and lessons. From the world of science to history, we will discuss various topics that will broaden our knowledge and satisfy our curiosity. So if you are ready to learn, let's just relax and enjoy. Come, let's start. Let's explore together and learn from our new discussion.
The human digestive system. Ever wonder what happens to that delicious adobo, or comforting bowl of sinigang, after you swallow? The answer lies within the fascinating world of your digestive system. This intricate network of organs works tirelessly to break down food, absorb vital nutrients, and keep you energized for everything life throws your way. Think of your digestive system as a highly efficient processing plant. From the moment food enters your mouth, to the time waste exits, a complex series of mechanical and chemical processes occur. Each organ plays a crucial role, ensuring that you extract the maximum benefit from every bite. For today's lesson, we will embark on a journey through digestive system, exploring its key components, their functions, and the importance of maintaining a healthy gut. Get ready to unravel the mysteries of your inner workings and discover how you can optimize your digestive health for a happier, healthier you. What is the digestive system? Simply put, the digestive system is a group of organs that work together to break down the food you eat. Think of it as a food processing plant inside your body, carefully extracting the good stuff and eliminating the waste. Here is the simple truth. Digestion breaks down food into nutrients that our body can use. These nutrients, like carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals, are the building blocks and fuel that keep us alive and thriving. Without proper digestion, our bodies wouldn't be able to absorb these essential nutrients, leading to a whole host of health problems. These nutrients are essential for energy, fueling your daily activities, from walking, to working, to playing. Growth and repair, building and repairing tissues, muscles, and bones. Cell function, keeping your cells healthy and functioning properly. Immune system, supporting your body's ability to fight off illness and infection. The marvelous machine, unveiling the main functions of your digestive system. So, we know the digestive system is important, but what exactly does it do? Think of it as a marvelous machine, with 3 core functions. Breaking down food, absorbing nutrients, and eliminating waste. Let us take a closer look at each of these crucial processes. Breaking down food into smaller pieces. This is where the magic begins. The digestive system acts like a culinary demolition team, taking the complex food you eat and breaking it down into smaller, more manageable pieces. This process starts in your mouth, with chewing and saliva, which contains enzymes that begin to break down carbohydrates. From there, the food travels to your stomach, where it is churned and mixed with powerful acids and enzymes to further break it down. The result is a soupy mixture called chyme, ready to move on to the next stage. Absorbing nutrients, fueling your body. Once the food is broken down into its simplest forms, it is time for the digestive system to extract the good stuff, the nutrients your body needs to thrive. This primarily happens in the small intestine, a long and winding tube, lined with tiny finger-like projections called villi. These villi increase the surface area of the small intestine, allowing for maximum nutrient absorption. The nutrients are then passed into the bloodstream and transported to cells throughout the body, providing them with the energy and building blocks they need to function. Removing wastes, keeping things clean. After the nutrients have been absorbed, the remaining waste products move into the large intestine. Here, water is absorbed, and the waste is compacted into solid form. Finally, the waste is eliminated from the body through bowel movements. From food, to nutrients, to energy, simple equation. To visualize this process, imagine this simple diagram. In a nutshell, food enters your digestive system, breaking it down into smaller pieces. Then nutrients are absorbed into the blood streams. Nutrients are transported to cells and converted into energy, while waste products are eliminated from the body. The digestive system, an overview. The digestive system is a complex network of organs responsible for breaking down food into nutrients that the body can use for energy, growth, and repair. This process involves several stages, from the initial intake of food to the elimination of waste. Here is an overview of the main parts of the digestive system. The parts of the digestive system: mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and anus. The mouth, your body's first step in digestion. The mouth, also known as the oral cavity, is the initial entry point for food into the digestive system. It is responsible for several key processes that begin breaking down food for nutrient absorption. Key components of the mouth. Teeth. These hard, mineral-rich structures are essential for chewing and breaking down food into smaller particles. Different types of teeth, incisors, canines, premolars, and molars, perform specific functions in cutting, tearing, and grinding food. Saliva. This fluid, produced by the salivary glands, softens food and starts the chemical digestion process. Saliva contains enzymes like amylase, which breaks down carbohydrates into simple sugar. It also moistens food, making it easier to swallow. Tongue. This muscular organ helps in swallowing by moving food around the mouth, mixing it with saliva, and pushing the chewed food toward the throat. The tongue also contains taste buds, allowing us to perceive different flavors. The mouth's coordinated functions of teeth, saliva, and tongue are crucial for initiating digestion, ensuring that food is properly processed for the body to absorb essential nutrients. The esophagus, your food's highway to the stomach. The esophagus plays a vital role in the digestive system. As the conduit, it transports food from the mouth to the stomach. Key functions of esophagus: a tube connecting the mouth to the stomach. The esophagus is essentially a muscular tube that connects the mouth to the stomach, creating a pathway for swallowed food to travel. Uses wave-like movements or peristalsis to push food down. The esophagus employs a series of wave-like muscle contractions known as peristalsis. These rhythmic contractions propel food down the esophagus towards the stomach, ensuring a smooth and efficient transit. Peristalsis works irrespective of body position, allowing you to swallow food, even when you are upside down. The esophagus ensures that food efficiently reaches the stomach, where further digestion processes occur. The stomach, a muscular sac for digestion. The stomach is a vital organ in the digestive system, acting as a muscular sac that mixes and churns food. It utilizes stomach acid and enzymes to break down food into liquid form, preparing it for further digestion and nutrient absorption in the small intestine. When food enters the stomach, it initiates a series of mechanical and chemical processes. The stomach muscles contract to churn and mix the food with gastric juices, which include water, hydrochloric acid or HCl, mucus, and enzymes. The muscular contractions in the stomach mix and soften the food with gastric juices, creating a semisolid liquid called chyme. This chyme is then released into the small intestine for further digestion and absorption. The small intestine, a key player in digestion and nutrient absorption. The small intestine is a long narrow tube that plays a crucial role in the digestive system. It continues to digest food with the help of the liver and pancreas and absorbs nutrients into the bloodstream. Structure and function of small intestine. The small intestine is a long coiled tube that extends from the stomach to the large intestine. It is approximately 6 to 7 meters or 20 to 25 feet long, and is divided into 3 sections: the duodenum, jejunum, and ileum. Duodenum, the first section of the small intestine, where food mixes with bile from the liver and digestive juices from the pancreas to further break down food particles. Jejunum, the middle section of the small intestine, primarily responsible for nutrient absorption. Ileum, the last section of the small intestine, which continues to absorb nutrients and connects to the large intestines. Digestion and absorption. The small intestine is the primary site for nutrient absorption. The walls of the small intestine are covered in villi, which are tiny finger-like projections that increase the surface area for absorption. These villi contain microvilli, which further increase the surface area and aid in the absorption of nutrients. Role of the liver and the pancreas. The liver and pancreas play essential roles in small intestine function. The liver produces bile, which emulsifies fats, allowing them to be absorbed into the bloodstream. The pancreas, on the other hand, produces enzymes that break down proteins, fats, and carbohydrates. The large intestine, absorbing water and forming waste. The large intestine, also known as the colon, is the final part of the digestive system. Its primary functions are to absorb water from undigested food, and form solid waste, the feces, for elimination. Structure and function. The large intestine is a wider and shorter tube than the small intestine, measuring about 1.5 meters or 5 feet in length. It extends from the ileum, or the last part of the small intestine, to the anus. The large intestine consists of the following parts. Cecum, a pouch-like structure that receives undigested food from the small intestine. Ascending colon, the part of the large intestine that travels up the right side of the abdomen. Transverse colon, the part of the large intestine that crosses the abdomen horizontally. Descending colon, the part of the large intestine that travels down the left side of the abdomen. Sigmoid colon, an S-shaped section of the large intestine that connects to the rectum. Rectum, a storage area for feces before elimination. Anus, the opening through which feces are eliminated from the body. Water absorption and waste formation. As undigested food passes through the large intestine, water is absorbed back into the body. This process helps to solidify the remaining material, forming feces. The large intestine also absorbs electrolytes and some vitamins, produced by bacteria in the colon. Gut microbiota. The large intestine is a home to a diverse community of bacteria, known as gut microbiota. These bacteria play a crucial role in digestion, producing vitamins, and protecting against harmful pathogens. A healthy balance of gut bacteria is essential for overall health. The digestive process, a step-by-step summary. Digestion is the process by which the body breaks down food into smaller molecules that can be absorbed into the bloodstream and used for energy. Here is the summary of a process. Food enters mouth. Food enters the digestive system through the mouth. Here, it is chewed and mixed with saliva, which contains enzymes that begin to break down carbohydrates. The chewed food is then swallowed. Esophagus pushes food to stomach. After being swallowed, the food travels down the esophagus, a muscular tube that connects the mouth to the stomach. The esophagus uses peristalsis, a series of wave-like muscle contractions, to push the food down the stomach. Stomach churns and breaks down food. The food enters the stomach, a muscular sac that churns and mixes the food with gastric juices. These juices contain hydrochloric acid and enzymes that break down proteins. The stomach gradually releases the partially digested food, now called chyme, into the small intestine. Small intestine digests and absorbs nutrients. The chyme enters the small intestine, a long narrow tube, where the majority of digestion and nutrient absorption occurs. The small intestine receives digestive enzymes from the pancreas, and bile from the liver, which further break down carbohydrates, fats, and proteins. These nutrients are then absorbed through the walls of the small intestine into the bloodstream. Large intestine absorbs water. The remaining undigested material passes into the large intestine, where water is absorbed back into the body. This process helps to solidify the waste material, forming feces. Waste leaves through anus. The feces are stored in the rectum, until they are eliminated from the body through the anus, during a bowel movement. This process ensures that the body extracts the nutrients it needs from the food, while eliminating waste products effectively. The digestive system is a complex and fascinating network that plays a crucial role in overall health. From the moment food enters your mouth, to the elimination of waste, each organ and process works in harmony to extract essential nutrients and energy. By understanding the functions of each part of the digestive system, from the churning stomach to the nutrient-absorbing small intestine, and the water-reclaiming large intestine, we can better appreciate the importance of maintaining its health. Adopting healthy habits such as eating a balanced diet, staying hydrated, exercising regularly, and practicing mindful eating can significantly improve digestive function. These practices not only enhance nutrient absorption and waste elimination, but also contribute to overall well-being. So, take care of your digestive system, and it will take care of you. A happy gut leads to a healthier, happier life.
Until next time, thank you for watching.